Hei, dulur kawan semuanya, hari telah mau berganti, namun kita hanya bisa menikmati di sore hari dengan secangkir kopi. Pada sore hari itu, saya dan kawan-kawan memutuskan untuk menikmati keindahan di sore hari yang berlokasi di Desa Bantaragung, Kecamatan Sindangwangi, Kabupaten Majalengka. Inilah dia wisata Ciboer Pass.
Looking down the ground, dust shadows make no sound. A game of hide and seek. Where do I go from here? Walls are tumbling down. Should stay but wanna run. Stumbling in a dream. You whisper in my ear. Lost in your eyes, lost faces passing by too fast to recognize. Caught inside my mind, don't pop me loose this time. In between the space, paths made of time and place. Silence gets so loud to strangers in the crowd. Walls are tumbling down. Should stay but wanna run. Stumbling in a dream. You whisper in my ear. Lost in your eyes. Lost
Tadi ya? Mantap Lur. Senja Boy. Hidup tanpa senja, suram boy.